I'm going to take you to a wonderful journey through the Brickhaus Kerala, an exposed brick home. I am architect Srijit Srinivas of Srijit Srinivas Architects, practicing in Trivandrum, Kerala state. Please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house, which has all photos and plans given in the link at the end of the video on Buildofy. The Brickhaus Kerala is designed to be both a place of respite and exhilaration for the clients. The Brickhaus is a story of open and interconnected spaces that challenge the standard assumptions of load-bearing brick construction. The total area of the house is 4,250 square feet. The house is on a long and irregularly 18 cents narrow site in Trivandrum, with its longest side facing west. The ground floor has a veranda, a foyer, a living room, dining with courtyard, kitchen, master bedroom with courtyard, kids bedroom, guest bed which is clubbed along with the consultation room unit, and then the servants room. The design has also attempted to bring nature indoors with both the use of contextually detailed skylights and jali work, which defines breezeways, facilitating natural cooling of the interiors, and complemented with a distribution of internal gardens and pools, all working together to bring in light as well as open up the building envelope to good views to the outside. The skylight create an ever-changing pattern of light throughout the day, which gives the inmates an unique experience there at different times of the day. The custom-built furniture, the joinery items add to the charm of the house. Internally, the timber staircase and its juxtaposition to a traditional swing in the adjoining internal courtyard. From a functional layout, the dining area with its east-west orientation opens out to a landscaped internal courtyard, connecting the house with the outdoors. The functional syntax is carried across to other parts of the house too, such as the master bedroom having a landscaped court bounded by brick louvers, bringing in cool breezes. The medical consultancy space and its adjoined guest bedroom form a separate block spatially, but it's subtly blended in with the house such that the whole presents itself as a single entity. A carefully detailed brick paved path forms the tectonic cord connecting the two spatial blocks together, while it also doubles up as a performance stage floor for small family gatherings. The quiet, reflective, brick-edged lotus pool besides the informal stage gives a palpable and inviting vibe to the space. With the natural variations of brick, polished and exposed concrete, the house is also a celebration of the imperfection of the material and the asymmetry used everywhere. As a result, the brick house naturally evokes a feeling of nostalgia, of quietly taking the occupants back to days past and to idyllic memories. Thank you for listening. In case you have any design queries, please post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond to them as much as possible.